Okay, hey guys, so today we're going to code a problem that I was thinking about in Java. The problem is, so you have a list of arrays, and in that list you have different integers, and if you need to print out the minimum and the maximum of that array list, how would you do it? So there's different type of ways, but the way that I'm going to handle this is sort through the array list. So let's say you got a set number. It's going to sort through each one and find out which one's the maximum and which one's the minimum, and then it's going to output that. Seems simple enough, so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is just want to use a import Java util. It's a Java function, and you want to import java.util collection as well. So I thought this would be a little fun exercise to do. This one, next you want to start creating your array list. So let's start creating our array list. When you create your array list, there's a certain type of way that you need to create it, and then you're gonna name this as an integer. Name it array equals new array list integer. There we go. And then now we can start adding the variables into our array list. So for this one, let's do a small one where we have the number 10. Right. Let's do 10, 5, and 8. So here we have 10, 5, and 8. And next we want to start sorting the size of the array list in a variable. And we can name this new variable n. So when you use int n, because we're using integers now. So whole numbers, just to keep this example easy. Array size, size of the array, and then you are going to name a new variable int I, because in order to start the sorting algorithm, which is the for loop, you're going to initialize I, and and then this will be your next. You want to output something. You want the user to input the elements of the array. So right here, in order to do that, you have to use output method, and here you can use sysout, and control space will autofill that. So elements of the array list, we'll do that. After that, now we can start our for loop. Now, to begin your for loop, you always have to initialize I as 0, I less than n. N is again the size of the array. Increase I by 1. Now within the for loop, you want to do sysout array dot get I. So you want to return the I plus quotation mark. There you go. So plus whatever it is. Then at the outside of the for loop, you put sysout. There you go. Prints nothing. So now what you have, almost there, almost done. Now we can start using our collection. remember that collection function that we use on top to call it? So in order to start using it now, you can use collection.sort sort array. Make sure I spell everything correctly. Okay, let me use this out. Array list after sorting. Okay, cool. And then after sorting, we can use another for loop. So equals I, initialize I less than n, I plus plus, and within I we use out way dot get I. See how like Eclipse just knows what you're gonna do. Now what we want to do is the first and the last elements of the array get stored into the min and max variables. So what we want to do is create store these variables. So put min int min equals array dot get 0 and max array dot get n minus 1. And now what we want to do is print out our max and our min. This is pretty straightforward. Max is, and then plus max, because that's your available max, so you want to return where you store max is. Same thing for min. Min is min plus min, and then that's it. Let's save, indent, save, and then I already see some errors going on. Let's see. Okay, it says right here we have some errors. Let's see, line 26 right here, collection fairness. Yep, there you go. Then we can save that. It seems to be fine now. It's going to ask 5, 8, 10. Max is 10, min is 5. It works. Thank you guys. Bye.